The X3 Max Handheld Mini Turbo Jet Fan by Chililai is a game-changer in the world of cleaning and drying tools. Powered by an ultra-high-speed 180,000 RPM motor, this mini turbo fan delivers unparalleled performance to meet all your cleaning needs. Whether you're drying your car after a wash, blowing away stubborn dust from your PC or keyboard, or keeping your home spotless, this device is the perfect solution. Designed for convenience and efficiency, the X3 Max combines compactness with incredible power. Its lightweight build ensures easy handling, while the strong airflow tackles dust and debris in seconds, even in hard-to-reach places. Free from high-concern chemicals, it's safe to use on delicate surfaces and electronics, providing peace of mind with every use. Originating from mainland China, this premium product showcases the trusted quality of the Chililai brand. The X3 Max is not just a tool, it's a versatile companion for professionals and households alike. Say goodbye to expensive canned air or bulky cleaning equipment. With the X3 Max, you get a powerful, eco-friendly, and cost-effective solution all in one. Choose the X3 Max Handheld Mini Turbo Jet Fan today and experience the future of efficient, effortless cleaning.